Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ida and I do cleaning and organizing videos, and I'm sorry I haven't posted that much in this channel. I was busy with my main channel, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am going to go ahead and post a cleaning video, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching it, guys.
When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care, I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me One look and I breathe. One touch feels skin deep. A picture perfect under sun.
Have you guys tried the gloves? It has this kind of like a brush kind of gloves I got from Walmart. I really like it. It's a little bit slippery, but it's very nice. It's like it helps when you don't want to mess your sponge. It helps a lot. You better try it. I like it.
Airborne as we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend. In and out.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame since I met you.
Next, I'm moving to the family room and I'm gonna go ahead, vacuum and clean the floors.
Be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay.
I like to use my steam mop at least once a week because it really cleans the floors and disinfected it.
Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Will I cry? Will I leave behind broken and crumbled signs, hiding all my roads to you? Uh-oh. And if I fight, will I come to life, calling for all your light, giving all my heart to you? Uh-oh. And I've been falling, I've been lost, and I've been calling on my ghost. I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home. Oh. I am done. I will stay to find every hidden sign, taking all my roads to you. Uh-oh. And I will fight. I will come to life, calling for all your lights, coming home.
Tell me, baby, where would you like to go?
paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world from the other. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here.
Now it's time to make lunch, and before that I am going to put away the grocery I had yesterday.
I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it go. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. I know that feeling. We say goodbye until it hurts. I know that feeling. Stormy skies and fireworks, yeah. But I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Oh, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here, as long as I know you fly back to me. But it's okay now, as long as you're here, as long as I know you fly back to me. You're like a dream. You're like a waterfall floating downstream. Once again I fall. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here, as long as I know you fly back to me. But it's okay now, as long as you're here, as long as I know you fly back to me. But it's okay now, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, but it's okay as long as you're here. But it's okay now, as long as you're here, as long as I know you fly back to me, baby. It's okay now.
I don't know how I could be without you now. Don't know what I would see without your smile. I don't know if I could be without your love, but I know that I'm on my way to find you. 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 You need to believe in all that is true. The sooner the better. You need to believe in all that is right. The sooner the better. So we can get the love going. Get the love going on tonight. The sooner the better. So we can get the love going. Get the love going on tonight. The sooner the better. So we can get the love going on tonight.
Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoy it. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much.